You subscribe yet?
I wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain could wash away my stains. I wish the rain could wash away my pain. Two sides to a story, the lies and what is true. I know you're hurting, but I am hurting too. Staying by the color of love, all because of you. Now your essence lingers in my memories. Yeah, yeah. I wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain could wash away my stains.
How your face look so?
What, cuz?
Me ask you how your face look so you go chat about what go on, cause listen to me. Me no idiot, you know. Me know say something wrong with you. All the plastic smile you put on, for me no figure out say something wrong. Me know say something wrong. What happened? What breeze blow you around here so now?
Cause me just can't bother.
About what? Life?
Relationships, man.
Relationship? Then you have problem with the relationship?
Like every relationship I'm going in is just failure. Like it just not make sense.
What are you trying to say to me? Every man where you talk to is the same procedure? None no better than none of that you try to say?
I mean the outcome.
So, how much man you talk to since you know yourself talking to man? But
Quite a few years.
quite a few. Okay, and out of the quite a few. And I'm fast in your business in your course, but you know say any little thing of me you come to and once you put something to me, I am going to put back the stuff to you, so don't feel no way. But just say something to you, because I just want to know where I come from. Where this thing coming from, where you say to me, so I can know how to dish out the food again on the plate. You understand? So, what I try to say, every man where you talk to, all of them are the same thing, then treat you the same way, none no show your love more than none. And that you try to say, or you never love them. How you go?
It's just like when time I talk to a guy, right? And we get to know each other. Him not treat me right.
Alright, I understand. I don't want to bash the woman, them, and I don't bash no man, because I am a woman too, and I've been through experience a lot. And I understand the good, the bad, and the indifferent. So me understand more than you, because even though we are cousins, me older than you, so me understand about the world more than you. You understand me? Although some young people then can go through some hard thing in a real life, you know, more than some older people. Because if you really sit down and hear where some people are go through worse than you, relationship, financial problem, all kind of same thing. Bills this, children for sustain, you can't mind them pitney. Woman a give man jacket, man a this one pitney, we are not we are feed them and go mind other pitney, we are not feed them. So all kind of ups and downs in the world. But you hear me?
Yeah.
Try give yourself a break.
Yeah.
From that thinking the way you have in your head say I look for love. Just give yourself a break, man. You ever get anything from no man yet? No man never give you nothing yet?
No.
See it there? So I love you I look for. You have to be careful how you look for love.
You can more something sincere from
Just give it a break and find something else though. Think about something else. Nobody look for that right now. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hello. Why you have called on my phone so far, man? Me can't bother with you and your lifestyle, you know. You can't give me what me want, so me no want you consistently call my phone because you is not it. Yeah, me and you can, we can't go work out. We not go work out. So don't waste your time anymore calling my phone. All right.
Yeah,
Goodbye.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah,
Gonna
yeah.
bother my phone.
Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our fault. Cause if you see you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make it bright and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better
Daddy,
day.
can't please blow
Better, better,
yourself,
better day.
man. Ah, boy. Yeah, I'm there, so I'm fair for you, still.
Mm. But honestly, today was such a rough day because you see, the business I'm gonna try to organize, hey, to be an entrepreneur in Jamaica, you know, a rough task. You know. I must say, if you kind of make it, and people sometimes see you and I wonder how things are easy and, you know what I mean, they want to borrow this, they want me to do this, they want me to do that. You know what I mean? It's terrible, brother. Because if you buy the bus here, and, you know, up on the road, I do road a certain way, you know, construction site, kind of things, brother, you know, it go already. You know?
That's why I feel like you're the perfect person to talk to you about what I want to talk to you about. I have two things more to make you know.
See,
Over the years, you know, growing up, you know, I always admire how you deal with money, you know. You know,
see,
you're always a person who know how to manipulate it and make it work for you. You know, I see you take a 1,000 and turn it into 100,000.
yeah, man, I say
And
that for this, brother.
but I trust and believe you because you have always been my brother and you never let me down. You see me? So I really want to invest, want to give some money to invest. I want you to take care of my finances because when I come into some funds,
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I want to keep it in my family and you'll be the best person to monetize and to organize and deal with it the right thing. Believe
The
me.
problem I don't know anything because, yo, that's a metric I tell you a long time ago. Yeah, I was the person we want to work in the office. Brother, look how he look now, I dress up right now. Brother, the people who dress up and go to office, man, you know, problems they have. The 9 to 5 people who feel like, say, boy, you might expect a paycheck at the end of the month. Them not benefit in a certain way like how we would have benefit. Because it's an everyday thing. And if you go to work today and you go the same attitude tomorrow, you not get no money. So I know so money can really motivate you for your daily work. What if you get to me I say?
I fully understand what you're
Good,
saying.
yo, I just said even push come to shove, you can, you know, make him start run some things with me. You know what I mean? But what kind of business are you right now? Because obviously something not going where, you know, you feel like say money can, come in constant. What you are there now?
But in order to trading,
Trading.
in order to trading, and but I'm not gonna lie to you, the first chance or first try I make, will come in for a piece of food. But I don't want stupidly or waste it. That's why I think about you in the instance and say, oh, the best I come to you and make you deal with that part there. I don't want to have no ties with it. I want to put it in a euro name, put it in a euro account and set it up that way there.
And say what account?
You know, say really big man thing, bro. We never really open up that account yet because you see the whole of my reading what I've been doing. You kind of have to trust them system, you know, them Babylon system, and a big man.
That me agree with you. Me agree with that. But you still have to have it. You know what I mean? They signify say boy, they say money and you know what I mean?
But that's why I want to put it to you. Because you would know the right bank, you would know the right procedure, the right channels then with a walk with the funds so it ensures that they get maximum benefit from it.
Alright. I'm not sure next time. You see, it's the same place where they're up so. Up no one shop. You understand me? I say?
Yeah.
Because them things is constant. Food is a must.
It's a one like that.
Up no one
Like
like
a
a
minimum food shop something.
I don't say minimum. Well, I don't know where you want to stay. But at the end of the day, it's up one like a shop. Right? You understand me? So don't go big. And then, alright. There was someone that built some house said, you build up the whole house and can't finish it. That makes sense. And still have a rent house. I still not live somewhere. All of the money they could have been and make up to one place. One room and one kitchen, you know what I mean? One bedroom and then live the night and you take a time.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say, as somebody with life. So that shop that me gonna make you. Alright, so tomorrow, me gonna come up to your place and we start for the shop. You need to have something like that. You know what I mean? In a year turf, so money constantly flow.
But I don't want it in a mind thing.
That me
Or you be the front runner of the whole thing, isn't it?
Know yourself, man. I have it covered, man. So,
I feel like more do it, more be an undercover individual in the whole operation. You know? More you be the person in the forefront because you understand more in the financial aspect of things.
you're my brother, you know.
Yeah.
And I love me saying, you know. And me not gonna make nothing happen to you in a no negative way because I want to see you prosper. Enough time when I said to me, the rope straps, you ever ask if it's not yet and I get it? Eh? Never, ever. I'm so busy. Today, I'm glad to see you because, you know, so I used to my run by and say, boy, what have gone, bro? Eh? What you have gone? I'm going to do some business, you know. See, you don't know already. These the man that move fast.
Well, you don't know, I'm a good man, I can't chat back out on the flank yesterday.
Tomorrow, I link you. Yeah? I link you up tomorrow. I call you, drop off the place there, and we organize. A matter of fact, to be honest with you, you know, so many things to do and shop out of your place. So we just make it happen. And you know, put it in a certain ways and you maintain.
Do it on you.
Alright, brother. Love you, sir. Yes,
That
sir.
makes sense. That makes sense. That makes
Yes,
sense.
yes.
Yeah, girl, you know, say, I want to tell you my day, out of QQ. You know what that's? Yeah, girl, I'm say, beer things are going out there. All the man them just give you beer money, so. When you come out, hold on there. When you come out the one of them time, you know, may I get one call. Me soon call you back. Hello? Girl, me not there home. You hear me? Yeah, me say me not there home. Me there right on my little chill spot there, so don't worry about it. Yeah, man, I can forward, man. Cause me you need for reason, you know. Alright.
Hello. Rosie, where you there? Look here, no man. You think a patty shop business me I run? Work starts at 8 in the morning and soon 8:30 now. Where you there? Stop telling me crap, man. Hurry up and get here. Get here now, man. I can't deal with this. Alright? Cool.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
What you know what ya? How this?
Yes, morning. How can I help you?
Well, me the supper gen. And let me see what else we want. A butter and cheese. A supper gen and a butter and cheese, please. So you go like you know want to serve me so?
Just won't give you something the way you order. You know, see, a big man thing. You know, say, you did me a way to be. I never like how you deal with me, you know. Because I call on your phone rough the other day, you know, about 2 weeks ago, you know. And you never answer me, you know, girl. But you just want to give me some closure to really what me can left me, you know. Where you stay, sir?
Me tell you on the phone call the other day when you called on my phone.
Yo. Why, really, big man thing. Why you left me?
Man, I'm trying to say me and your lifestyle cannot be.
Yeah, my lifestyle.
Yes. Me can't work with you. No. Sorry, me already explained to you. We want me to do a eulogy.
Everything,
And
Chris.
give you.
Everything, Chris.
How much that you want me to do?
Everything, Chris. But I like how everything work out for you. You find a new man now.
So, because me have to find a new man, why me I break it off with you? Not everything is about you or about other man.
So, none at all anything about me.
Me now go down there with the return up. Me not just order 3 something for you.
Ask you a question, so none at all anything about me.
Carry something come on me order for you. Me don't know long talking.
You still love me, you know.
Me don't know long talking.
You know you still love me though.
Let me just say.
Nigga,
Me,
charge you.
no inner, no long talking. Just care. Come give me what me order for you, please.
Stop here,
So me can go. Me have somebody with power outside.
What you know?
Yeah.
I'm not charging for your items, them, so hold back your money. I'm gonna give you the things, them, you see me?
That's so kind of you.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Girl. But me know you, I was going now. For you call me, I know something will happen. How are your man left you? Are you left your man?
Girl, enough things are gone.
Like what?
Mister, me and him break up the other day, right?
Yeah.
Over the phone. Me tell him say me don't have nothing to do with him anymore. Because his lifestyle and my lifestyle not gonna work anymore. I want better things.
So what happened between you and him today? Seems like you and him broke up today. What happened?
Yes, me and him back up. So me dey pass through one community and me stop at one shop. Me stop to buy something. And guess who are the owner of the shop or shopkeeper or whatever?
Charles,
Yes.
we him upgrade now.
And that me I say,
So what you plan for do?
well, me like him little attitude because me ain't into him anymore. But no, I'm still say my upgrade and things.
Girl, in no sense, chop him. Chop the man. From you see him have him business place, him establish him business place. Chop him. Try get something out of him head. That you need to do. But I make him run off like a client. Just chop him. Try get where you can get out of him. Even if I have to tell him say you want to marry him. And get the client something where you have. Little money. That more you do. When you act like idiot. Go and go friend up back your boy. Tell him say you're sorry. All when you don't mean it. Just tell him say you're sorry to get back into him. Because that boy love you. He love you.
Because when time I did a chat to you and I say, you know say you love me now. So am I gone.
You know what you need to do? Get one Charlie and go to his shop and make him pack it up. Tell him say you're not in a grocery in your house. Yeah.
Because I know things in our shop there. So I said,
Mr. Girl, other day. I saw other day me have to chop one boy, you know. I saw other day. The boy come from Mobile, turn big scammer. When me there with the boy working at one wholesale, put dirty like road. And now the boy have one big fat jelly. And him have him house and everything, him a scam. And me start talk back to him and something and him say him forgive me. So me I try get what me get out of him, so do the same.
Yeah, let's take the advice and do that thing.
I don't know one thing.
So let's try.
Try, you better do it before
It's just
some
hard
other girl.
because I'm not that type of girl. You're a bad girl, you know. You full of tattoo and all these things.
I want tattoo you to put by your hand yourself.
What can I tattoo?
I want tattoo for your leg yourself. You put one rose yourself. And put one next sleeve off your hand, girl. It would look good.
Like a hot girl.
And pierce your nose.
All of them is
At them time, they boy, I go want to. And when you go to the shop, more you wear some short body rider.
So what want to when me have
Nothing wrong with what you have on, you know, but more you're making your red.
Yeah, red.
Yes,
Red like a blood.
that is it.
So I have a favor here.
Thank you.
Yeah man, yeah man. Really appreciate the fact that you come out, at the right setting, babes. See all God all a bless you because see all the rain all a fall. I sign this I tell you so we get back together,
Well, me only really there for you what you have to say to me. Me want hear what you have to say to me genuinely. That's why me come. Yeah.
I know you're there to hear what I have to say. Yeah? And that's good. That's all I want. I want you to just give me a listening ear. I understand when I'm talking to you, I'm going to say this from my heart. I really, really want this to work. I want this for the two away. Babes, it's all going to work. I don't want you to worry about nothing. I'm not hurt you again. I promise you. Just give me that chance then. That's all I want. Just give me that one chance. I'm not let you down again. Can you do that for me, baby?
All your sweet talking that you have right now, I'm used to that. So, it now buzzing in me.
Why you behave so? Tell me why you behave so. You nervous? You shy or something? You don't need to be. I mean, I am still me. I still Chaz your baby. And right now, me looking in your eyes, them. I must say you still love me. So you no need for worry. Come on, man. Just have a drink and ease yourself, man. We'll have the rest of our life together, we don't have nothing to worry about, Okay? Smile, man. Ciao.
So I want to go on now.
You know, say, to tell the truth though, I never really want, but it just happened. Me and Charles will start talking again.
Or not like you're into him.
Yeah, we're there back together.
Yeah, you there, girl. You're not into him and you're into him money. Oh, you fear do that? Don't do that, girl. You can't fall too deep for him back, girl.
Me know he love me and so like he would do anything for me. He would give me the world.
Why, you know what I mean in a love? So you still plan for chop him?
Oh,
Well, what?
the chopping part now. Me don't know what to say.
It's a girl. All of my advice, my good advice I may again, I'm gonna just go down your drain, so continue on the right path. But I fall in too deep with him, girl. I tell you if you do already do the right thing. Stop one like you fall for the man. X a X, X a X,
I
girl.
know that, but me just feel like say, yeah, me want to try and then me just have a little
Try.
doubtfulness about it. Yes.
Girl, it come like a heartbreak you run down. You tell me said, girl now look that them man there, amount of girl goodly swam him. Was him having business place and them something there? Me hear say him all about a plan to buy a van, girl. And them something there. I can't hear alone that man have. Continue on the right path, girl. I come like say a heartbreak you run down or something to back.
Me not run down the heart. No, no like no. Remember say my cousin run there, so you know, me and her there, and she no like the smoking thing. So
Girl, right now, I just want to cool my brain, you know, because come like say, me come up here for what this you call me up here for? You tell me say you fall back in love with that them and them.
I didn't want to see it. I don't want to talk over it.
I think you that call me and tell me say, you know, say me just go down to a boy shop and he pack me up with grocery and give me money in my pocket and then something. Girl, continue on the right path.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
I'm really happy that you came out with me. You say you didn't really like me seeing you, you know. So you just play hard to get done. You know, it's just nice. I like it. As usual, yeah, I like it, man.
Thank
And your hair and all, it just fits your face.
Well, me really don't think so. I'm supposed to do this. I'm unsure about it. Because we just have to start back over. I remember say you break my heart and me no want to go through that emotion again. So me not 100% sure about this. If you understand what I say.
See you now, baby. No, man, I said them things here. Remember, I love you, you know. And I was wrong in the initial stage. I'm sorry about that. I'm not gonna break your heart again, babes. I care about you, you know. I really, really care about you. And if I never care about you, I wouldn't be here with you right now. I promise you. I'm gonna not do it again, you hear me? Trust me, I'm gonna say I'm not do it again. What is wrong? You don't want to be close to me?
I want to be close to you, but you have to give me some time.
Yeah, babes.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You make my appetite.
Girl, me just can't bother anymore.
What you can't bother with?
Can't bother with Jazz anymore.
Girl, I cry.
I can't bother anymore.
I did tell you, you know? I did tell you, you never did listen to me. What you can't bother with? What happened?
Like me just not think say this is gonna work.
What you think say about work? So girl, I in love with him. Girl, get up. Come on, you look at me, guy.
Me not into it anymore. Like he want the things me not want to do. And it just keep on bringing memories I don't want. Like I don't want to reminisce about those things and why we break up and so. So that's why me email.
I think say something the boy did make you cry. Cause me ready right now to go bomb down in shop, you know. And that me tell you, we either go down there with some cursing and I want strike a matches and catch that a fire. Starting back from square one. But here, you see, from that now work out, we're gonna move on to plan B. You see me? Plan B, you go ask him to marry you. But first, you have to move in there.
What?
Yeah, you go ask him to marry you. Then you go move in with him. You see, when you're married to him, apart everything when him own, you own it too. So, in money are basically yours.
Oh no. Me can't do certain things because me not. Me can't do that.
Why you can't do that? You don't know if you can, man.
No, me can't do that. Me no go anywhere there.
So you're gonna just lay down with him for free, just like that?
Me no want that.
I don't like how you move now, you know. You move like a little 2-year-old. I'm gonna love that. I tell you what to do. Just stick to the plan, girl. You can't wrong when you listen to me, you know. You can't wrong none at all. Remember, I tell you that.
You're right.
Remember, just add me your heart, girl.
You cheer
Add me
me
your
up.
heart. Add me your heart and just chop him. And when you do get to chop him, don't stop. Don't stop until him drop. Just continue chopping. But I mean, that chop there, you know, take him money. Just not if you know want to lay down with him, but you can give one little 1 and 2. You know, touch up. That I go give him more energy for carrying things now. Chaz! Chaz! Chaz, that here? Chaz!
What?
So you hear me I call you and I want answer? And I right did I say you turn up? Anyways, me come to talk to you about something. Come here, want me hear a reason. What a reason with you? Big man to big woman.
Busy hours now, you know.
Am I busy hours now too? That's why I come down here because I'm busy, bad. You remember me?
Of course, I remember you. What is happening? What happened?
Well, I come for reason with you about Sienna. Cause I don't like what go on. I mean, I want to come up here so come cast no bagga. Oh.
What? I don't understand you. So,
Me no want to come up here come help me market mouth pan you. So, me want you to take care of my friend good and stop make she cry. But just go up her yard and she a cry. So you not treat her right. You're lucky she come back.
look here, no man. What is between me and Sienna is it don't have nothing to do with you.
It damn right it concern me much cause I'm a friend.
You know how you own man. When I let people man alone. Eh? Look here, no man. If I that you come back, look here, no, you best go on where you're going now. Cause this
Listen,
have
little
nothing
ball head man. Let me tell you this. Yeah, touch it, cause I ball like you're stressed. Anyways, I just want you to treat my friend right, cause I don't want to come bun down up at this.
But know what?
This,
You did help me. You did there one time this a bill?
no worry your head, me we bring it down. Me not fi bill it, me bring it right down to the ground. Turn it in ashes.
Because
Any you hurt up my friend head, me a come bun down this. Me a go a gas station go buy that gas there. Not cursing and Artina. The gas that them put in a car and come bun down this. Flat.
you know, say I can report you for what you're saying right about now.
Nobody never hear when me say so. I just me alone there.
Look here now. I think it best you leave here now. I think it best you leave my premises. What you doing? Is what you doing. Oi, what you... I'm going... Hey, mind what you doing, you know?
You want me fling
I said mind what you doing. Jesus Christ.
You want me flinging at this man and fling all this out your body?
Go on, where you going now? Rosie, call the police.
I don't know one special knock on my head, a blast it take me. Serve!
Yo, I want bang shop, so what happen? Mr. Make you bang shop, so.
Want that special
Eh?
Want that?
So I say we don't want special you bang. You blinking shop, so. But wait. Why your face looks so familiar?
I don't know. People favor people.
I mean people for your people.
One special, like that I come and shop for order. I don't come here to tell you who my favor and who me not favor.
I remember your face now, man. Hmm? Now from month ago, be you figure say I'm me the person where you take the money and run away with it? Eh?
No, I not me. People favor people.
When me people for people, you went take my money and run away with it.
I can't me.
What you mean say I can't you?
As a matter of fact, me do even bother want a special, you know.
What do you mean by that? Listen to
Even
me.
bother want a special.
You remember say 2 months ago, me I try search for you. And you say your name it was Sherwin Williams or something like that?
Who?
Eh? Sherwin Williams, you say your name be?
Me don't even know who name say no.
So
I
how much
must
money I go?
wrong smarty.
How much money I go? Because of you, I know see same tattoo up in your hand. Eh?
So everybody not have them tattoo, yeah?
No. I'm sure say you. How much money I go, boss?
Go ask yourself for your money and go, you know, cause can't me attack.
I really that you take it?
Go ask the bank how your money and go.
Ask which bank? Listen to me.
You look like bank teller?
Listen to me, I say. I'm not going to dip on that right now, but you have to organize. Give me back your phone. The phone.
Hey,
Give
me
me
love
back my
bun
phone.
down shop, you
Let me
know.
go bun down shop.
Some careful where you do.
Let me
Careful. Cause me send my friend them come trim off your locks.
It's alright. Me left it to them man there road here. Ja are you? Oh, criminal.
Hello? You get open. Chaz! Chaz, honey! Hey, baby!
Give me 1 minute, give me 1 minute.
Oh, I ain't gonna do no. I need to leave the gate open. Hey.
You come look for me?
Yes. You're not letting me in. Hey.
You come look for me?
Yeah, man.
Nice. Swag on.
You know, someone talk to you though. Serious business.
Yep.
I think about what you did say to me the other day. And say, like, Luda, one, take it serious. Someone you feel married to me. So I want you to put a ring on my finger. The real one, this one. The real one with the diamond in it. Understand what I said?
Babes, I don't did tell you say anything for you, baby. I want to see you, man. I'm married, you say? A simple thing that my wife. See me, I'll call you wife already. Babes, of course I will marry to you. I want to see you, man. I love you, you know. I'm promise to say me I gonna do right by you, baby. When you want a big wedding, talk to me. When I invite everybody, I'll invite everybody, baby. I'm going to make this your dream wedding. Right now, you make me one of the happiest man in the world. Come here. Oh, good. Come here, man. Miss Crystal? Miss Crystal?
Hi.
How you doing? How you doing?
Good.
Say now, if you see me, you look
You
so.
can't. I know, sir. I sleep, I didn't sleep, you know, so you have to kind of stay with me. I can't come inside, you know. I have a seat right here.
Yeah, man, I
Oh, boy.
like how you invite me in, you know? So, I don't know if Sienna did tell you.
About what?
say we start talk back.
Oh yeah, she tell me.
She did?
Mm-hmm.
Nice, you know. And I gotta lie to you, you know, based on how she speak of you, she speak very highly of you. And the mere fact that she do that means that she respect you and she look up to you as a mother figure in her life. And because of that, I come to ask for your blessing.
Blessing.
Yeah man, I plan to make the next step. I want to do right by Sienna.
You who married my cousin.
What?
Let me think because the whole of no treat my cousin like she's nothing. And the same thing me and her did left. Me understand so no get back together and people can forgive them one another. But where is the love? If you don't love my cousin, don't tell me to forgive you no blessing for your murder because me no want all of the burden come down for me when you and her in a problem when you no married. And then things go happen. She go say I'm mean. So she can't go. No, me have to get this thing straight first cause you see when me go say yes, I am giving you my blessing, you can marry my cousin and then you start treat her bad and me she got torment.
You not treat her bad.
But you used to. I don't know if you change. That's how she tell me say you change.
We change. Yeah man, and I've been doing better. You know, I realize that she is the one. I can't live without her.
So why you disrespect her so much in the first time? Why you never used to show her no love? Why you never used to buy her gifts and bring her out and buy and carry her go a certain nice place? Then like a ball if you have dinner and then something. Why you not take her to if I even church or party? You not bring her go nowhere. You're gone with somebody else and leave her and make sure they so they cry for me every day. I don't understand you.
Yeah, there's a saying them say you never know the use of your tail till you lose it. And this was a perfect example of that. I never know say somebody really need her in my life. I need her. And I don't believe I can live the rest of my life without her. I'm going to do right by her this time, man. I'm going to do the right thing. This is why I'm going to make an honest woman of her. I'm going to marry her and treat her like the princess she deserves to be treated like.
I don't want to play again with it. I don't really can me.
No, can.
Listen, alright, I understand everything you have said. And people do make mistakes. I understand.
Sorry.
But listen what me I say now. She's my cousin. And me alone she have. She don't have nobody else to turn to. And all her stress and her problem them and me want it used to the fun. If I said yes, would I love if you take the best care of her. Show her all the love them we never give any woman in this world before. Treat her like a queen. Not even like a princess, like a queen. And you go be for your king. The amount of relationship where she go through. She really suffer in it. You understand? So if you are going to marry her, I really want you to take good care of her. Show her love. Because she don't know any real love all now, you know? Because of pure hell she go through. Hell and powder house. So please, I am going to give you my blessing to marry my cousin. And I ask in the name of Jesus. Don't make me hear say her ears at her or the ear on her head. Please, me I beg you.
Nah, make nothing hurt her, man. Me nah do nothing to hurt her. Man. I appreciate the fact say you give me a blessing. As we say, I go to right by her. I promise you. Thank you, man.
I'm not laughing because I will if I uno say I'm not going to do no best and the worst you do. I don't want to see she crying and come on me and come call me.
I promise you, mommy, man. She's going to be so happy. You don't have to worry about nothing, man. I'm going to take her in. And, you know, I'm going to make sure to be a perfect person. I'm going to show you. A perfect relationship.
I'm going to turn her over in your hand. Yes, man. And I hope you take care of her and feed her good. And it will less for me too. Thank God me turn her over in your hand. She will stop me out my food. So make sure she not dead for hungry because she eat woolly. She eat a lot. She eat plenty. Enough. So make sure you can take care of that and do all of them something.
I'm going to do my best.
Although she tell me say yeah, give her this and give her that. But feed her the right way. So she don't want to nothing to eat. And I can't save not even $1 sake of she.
My God, definitely do my best to make sure that she is well taken care of.
You're better. As me tell you before, take care. Feed her. Me glad say you take over her from me now. Because she will stop nyam out me food. You understand? Do not tell her something, so please. Anyway, I just let her go and you want to talk to me about?
I would like you to be present at the wedding as well, you know. I wanted to take
No
part
problem.
tonight.
No problem.
Right, so I'll go in for the pink and white theme,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I'll send you some details as soon as the date gets closer.
Alright, yes.
Alright, and thank you again here, mommy. I really,
problem.
you don't have a problem me calling you mommy. Cause I feel like a part of the family now, you know.
But me and her mother remember say me her cousin.
You are the closest thing to her mother, right? She has right
Okay,
now.
alright,
So
me understand. You can call me anything, man. If I have a grandma.
alright. Thank you here.
Yes. Sleep, you just sleep when you come with
Thank
her.
you.
Alright. I fear and alone if people and pants, so you know, me pass the road and see a hold up nobody. I'm sorry. Sienna. Girl. Come here, come here, man. Whole day asleep. Come here. Come here, man. Want to sit down right here, so come now the neighbor them nosy park and neighbor them hear when me I sit here. So sit down as close as come right here so. You don't want them hear your business then fast.
Yeah, what now?
Me happy for you.
What?
I'm happy for you. Glad to see you settle down now and everything, you know. And you see everything when me tell you say.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody do it.
Nobody do it?
No. Me did that tell you say if the man them not give you anything, no deal with them. Nobody look for no love nor nothing. You remember when me did tell us so you not look for no love?
Mm-hmm.
Nobody do it at all. No do it. No do it. Me not think you're right. And con man and take man things and they something they don't do it. And a good something. There? I'm glad to see you and the guy get back together. And he might treat you good and everything. Because I know the last time they tell me say him alright. He might treat you good and everything. And then him come check me. He check me early on, you know. Yes, he come check me early on. And he tell me how I go married and everything. And he might ask for my blessing. So I gave it to him because he seems like he is a nice guy and people make mistakes and so.
Well, I must say at first, I'm not really into him. But now,
I know.
I'm kind of progress. That's why I'm yeah, that's why I'm thinking go along with it.
I'm give and take with him, you know. I see with him a little bit because people do make mistakes. And people do want chance. And you have to learn to forgive people.
Yeah.
So me forgive him. Because me even did I remind him how he used to treat you bad and so. He saying change everything which you tell me saying change. So he might explain himself so everything I got different and alright. Hopefully it work out how him say it. I'm not sure. But I wish it to him all the best.
Yeah.
And do me the beg you. No bother. Act like you want to take off a little money off of him where you see him with. And like you don't love him and you don't want him. Remember say marriage life a serious sitting. If you're not ready to settle down, don't make him marry you. But you say you're ready and him saying ready. Him saying love you. So me wish it to you all the best. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah man. I just thought me did call if you tell you, you know, say make sure say you take this marriage life serious. And I no joke thing. And you can't go there with another man when you're married. You understand? Yeah, so little more.
Can I go back though?
Alright, may I go to the door?
Let me call. How long you can talk about them sent me a thing? She actually know what they're going already. Hello, Ami, look how long me I call you. You not hear me?
You're not here now.
Girl, me say me just my mind changed about the whole situation with that tell me about with Charles. Like me just no want continue with it. Me no want go through with it. Trust me. Me, yeah, me trust you know, cause me no say your only friend me can talk about him something, yeah. What?
Yes, so just stick to the plan.
You go buy shop?
Of course, ma-angling mga that.
Lord. Why? I mean, why? Listen, why would I do that?
Because if I get cry, I'm gonna like to be crying.
Not true, but me not like saying we don't be do that. Though. But okay.
Just stick to the plan as usual.
Mm.
But I'm not just one like that. That's all.
No, me no call, but I'm my cousin know about this situation. Like, girl, just come down here. You come down here, you know? And I talk to my cousin about proposal and this and that.
And
Yeah.
when I write here that man, because that's the one need to long time. So all more is to
You say?
the all more is to don't fall for it.
Don't fall for him.
Yes, don't fall for it. But I fall in love with it.
You subscribe yet?
I wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain could wash away my stains. I wish the rain could wash away my pain. Two sides to a story, the lies and what is true. I know you're hurting, but I am hurting too. Staying by the color of love, all because of you. Now your essence lingers in my memories. Yeah, yeah. I wish the rain could wash it all away. I wish the rain